Weather's nice.
Weather's nice. We're out trash picking. We're heading out to Jim Boomba. I've got housemate Jordan in the car. He wants to come along and see what all this trash picking's about.
Hey.
So we're going to go and check it out and see what we can find. There's a fish tank.
That red one.
Hey?
The red thing underneath.
Looks like a hose connector thingy. Go down there too. Nice bum. Set of chairs.
Yeah, they're nice chairs.
They look alright, don't they?
Yeah.
Pool pump.
Barbecue. Man, that's what we need.
Oh no, it's got the lid off. Jordan's checking out a few things. The cord cutters have beaten us to everything so far. But we'll keep looking. Nope.
That's exactly what I need. And to fix my
It's got no way of charging it though.
Hmm?
There's no charger.
Throw it in.
Hey?
I want this one.
Find a charger for you, you'll be right. It's a Makita.
I want this one now. I'm full now. I want it. That's true.
Jordan's just checking out what's inside the boxes there.
Yeah. Yeah, like how big is
We're in a new subdivision. And I'm just going to check the bins for wire. And there we are. There is some. And there's some over there. All I have to do now is figure out how to get it out. Let's have a look at this one. Although this is a new house. Or new... Yeah. Alright, we'll go get that wire. Jordan has just spotted that pop there. He's going to snaffle it. Looks alright too. And we'll do a roundup when we get home. So I've just got back and Jordan was chasing vacuum cleaners. And he's got this one and tested and it works. Works fine. What else did we get, mate?
we should test it or
No. I've already seen it work. I got some more wire. We're in the shed here. I got some more wire. What else did we get? There's a Makita drill, battery drill. We don't know whether that works yet or not. A meat slicer. That's for Jordan. Pot is Jordan's with a heap of little bits of electronics. He also grabbed this bag. I know you can't see too well because it's a bit dark. But he grabbed that bag and there's nothing wrong with it whatsoever. Really good bag. All the zippers work. You'll probably use it for work. What's the brand name? Consulate. No idea. What else do we get? There's more wire and bits and pieces in there. I'll put that down there. This is another vacuum, a little red devil or something. What's that one? Lumina. That one works fine. So we've tested that one. So we're probably going to take one each. And then there's some battery ones there that, yeah, we don't know about. We don't think going to be any good, but you never know.
You take this one.
What else have we got?
That's good.
That brand new seat cover for your car there. Yeah, unopened. Bamboo one. The garden tool. I don't know why he grabbed that, because he doesn't do any gardening. He might use it to kill someone. No.
Just free stuff.
It's free stuff. And that's...
For his car.
Hang on, turn it around. Brand new. Never been opened. Bamboo seat cover. Put that up there.
You know, that's good for
And that's my...
That's good for you.
What's
you
in
know
it?
what?
That one's good for me.
You just take this one
Clean that one out. Empty that one out.
and it's new.
Yep.
Actually. You just make sure you empty the filter. You can turn it off.
Yep. That needs a good clean itself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. We'll get to that.
That's good. And
So, not a bad... Oh, 2 pictures
oh yeah.
that Jordan picked up. I don't know what he's going to do with them, but there he is, not mine.
Makita.
Not a bad little haul.
The Makita one.
Yeah, no, it's told him about the Makita. So now he loves trash picking. That wasn't the best of days, but we got some things that we wanted. KC, I didn't forget about you, mate. Let me know if there's any of these you want. That's about all from us. So see you later. Hooroo. Hooroo.